Mechanics have been keeping this secret for decades. 5 cars that go over 250,000 miles, running like new and cost less than $20,000. The automotive industry hates this list because it would destroy their constant trade-in business. Pay attention, because if you own one of these 5 treasures in your garage, comment "never selling" because you literally own a time machine on wheels. Number 2 will shock you with its ridiculously low used car price, and number 1 has documented examples with over 400,000 miles running perfectly. Each of these cars can change your financial life forever. Let's start right now with number 5.
Number 5. 2003 to 2008 Honda Pilot. If you have a Honda Pilot from this generation hiding in your garage, congratulations! You own a family treasure worth much more than you imagine. This first-generation Pilot isn't just an SUV, it's practically an investment that grows in value while safely transporting your family. With the J35 3.5-liter V6 engine, these Pilots have proven to exceed 300,000 miles without major rebuilds. The secret to longevity? Honda applied all their F1 engine expertise into a family power plant. The 5-speed automatic transmission is so robust that mechanics use it as a quality benchmark. The all-wheel drive system is simple and practically indestructible. American families report maintenance costs under $800 annually. Oil changes every 7,500 miles, clean filters, and you're set. If you find a well-maintained one, buy it immediately, because these Pilots don't depreciate anymore, they only appreciate in value. Number 4. 1999-2005 Mazda Miata. Here we have the Japanese legend that redefined the concept of fun on wheels. The Mazda Miata NB isn't just a roadster, it's a joy machine that never gets old. With the BP 1.8-liter engine, these Miatas are practically indestructible. Mazda built this engine thinking about decades of intense sporty use. There are examples with over 250,000 miles that still accelerate like day one. The 5-speed manual transmission is smooth as silk even after 20 years of use. The shifter is so precise that enthusiasts pay thousands just to feel it work. The AA suspension was calibrated by the gods of automotive engineering. Specialized mechanics confirm this is the most reliable car for pure fun seekers. Parts are abundant and cheap. A well-maintained Miata isn't just transportation, it's therapy on wheels that lasts forever. Number 3. 2003 to 2008 Subaru Forester. The Forester from this generation is the compact SUV that Subaru should never have changed. This small giant combines Japanese reliability with off-road capability that shames much larger vehicles. Its 2.5-liter Boxer engine is a masterpiece of horizontal engineering. The Boxer configuration creates an ultra-low center of gravity and minimal vibrations. Combined with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, this Forester can go where other SUVs don't even dream of going. Thousands of adventurous families have traveled through rocky mountains, deserts, and icy roads with the same Forester for 15 consecutive years. Owners report over 220,000 miles without engine or transmission problems. Fuel economy is excellent for a permanent all-wheel drive vehicle. Parts are reasonable and any mechanic can work on it. If you own a Forester from this era, you literally have a passport to anywhere on the planet. Number 2. 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna. Get ready for the surprise. This Toyota minivan is the most underestimated family machine in American automotive history. While everyone despised minivans, the Sienna was quietly building an iron reputation. With the 1MZ FE 3.3-liter V6 engine, these Siennas are family tanks disguised as conventional vehicles. Toyota applied all their quality obsession to create the perfect family vehicle. There are taxi examples with over 300,000 miles running 16 hours a day. The 5-speed automatic transmission is so smooth you forget it exists. The automatic door system still works perfectly after 20 years. The interior space is like a small house on wheels. Veteran mechanics reveal these Siennas cost less to maintain than many compact sedans. If you find a well-preserved one for under $15,000, you're making the deal of the decade. This minivan can transport generations of your family.
Number 1. 2003-2009 Lexus GX 470. We've reached the absolute king of premium durability. The Lexus GX 470 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's literally a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado dressed in first-class clothes. Its 2UZ FE 4.7-liter V8 engine is the same one that powers the legendary Land Cruiser. This unit was designed to function in the most extreme conditions on the planet. Bedouins in the desert, farmers in Australia, everyone chooses this engine because it simply doesn't break. There are documented GX 470s with over 400,000 miles running like new. The 5-speed automatic transmission is refined like a Swiss watch. The air suspension system still works perfectly after 2 decades. The genuine leather interior ages like fine wine. Toyota electronics from this era are simple and extremely reliable. This Lexus combines genuine luxury with military-grade durability. If you own a GX 470, you have in your hands a relic that appreciates every year. This isn't just a car, it's an heirloom you can pass to your children.
Now you know the 5 most durable cars money can buy. If you own any of these treasures, comment "never selling" and tell us how many miles you've already driven. But this is just the beginning. I have prepared the 10 cheapest cars to maintain in the United States and the 7 mistakes that destroy any engine in less than 6 months. If you don't want to miss these secrets that can save you thousands of dollars, subscribe and hit the bell. And if this video helped to discover your car is worth gold, hit like so more people can protect their rolling investments. The next video will change everything you thought you knew about automotive mechanics.